What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Hope you're well. We're going over Gala game. Seems to be pushing up in our micro 4. So we're sitting at 0.01367. We're up 1.3 on the day. Seeing market cap 340 million. 24-hour volume is 35 million. So if we look at the chart, we are starting to bounce. So I do think we're putting in that micro 4. We've already reached the minimum target, but we have this small inverse head and shoulders that could potentially take you up to the 50%. I think at least you'll reach the 38.2 in a micro 4 and then come down in that final wave 5. If we start to break the 50%, it can invalidate a 4, or we have to look at ending diagonal. But especially if we already come up and break these local highs, then you could flip bullish. But as of right now, we're focused on one more wave down, pushing up in the wave 4 and then dropping in the wave 5. Basically, we're just hugging this trend line of the falling wedge. I think we'll continue to do so. I've seen it before where you break out and you just kind of trickle down along the support of the wedge before eventually seeing that push to the upside. Maybe a little fake out back inside the wedge and then start to push to the upside. That's what I think is likely. I do think we'll at least come down to about 0.01191 in the wave 5 before potentially seeing a larger bounce to the upside. If we can come up and start to break, let me pull this out a little bit here. Come on. Break this down sloping trend line. We'll zoom out to the 4-hour time frame. Break the 50%, break that down sloping trend line, and then of course break those local highs. I have that trend line pulled from this previous high at 0.0288. Then we could look at a potential bullish scenario, but I really wouldn't flip bullish unless we came all the way up and broke those local highs. Until then, I do think we will put that lower low in a wave 5. All right, gang, that's it for this one. Make sure to sign up to Bitfinex. No KYC, no VPN for my US Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange. I have a full length tutorial pinned at the end of the video. My subscribers only get a 20% bonus into their futures account. So if you deposit $100, you get $20. If you deposit $1,000, you get $200 completely for free. My subscribers only. My signals are $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon daily crypto analysis for many pairs. My exact trade setups, crypto news, member profits, how to all place Forex signals analysis. We're currently in 3 Forex positions as well. All for $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon. All links down below. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.